Hello lovely people, wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look for the girls, for the gal them. And of course I've already done my eyebrows. And this is going to be a full coverage look. I tried to have fun with this look. It's Valentine's Day, you know, you gotta play around with it a little bit. Not sure why I was doing this hand gesture right here. But yeah, so I had fun with this look, so I hope you enjoy this video. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with the Fenty concealer in the shade 340. Next, I'm going to take this brush right here and I'm going to go into my LA Girl concealer and I'm going to take the shade black and I'm going to create the shape that you see me doing right here. I was trying to go for like a 1960s type of vibe, but you know, still trying to incorporate like a modern feel to my look. And I wanted my eyes to appear bigger as well, so that's the vision I had in mind. And here I'm just cleaning up my eyes with a little bit of concealer. Now I'm going to take my Fenty number 4 snapshadow palette and I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here and place that on the lid. Next, I'm going to take this NYX glitter primer right here, and this NYX glitter, it's like a pink glitter, and I'm going to place that on top of the eyeshadow. So first, obviously, I'm going in with the glitter primer, and then after that, I'm going to go in with the glitter on top of that. You might get some of the glitter on your face as well. If that happens, that's normal. That's why I like to do my eyes before I do my face. And here you'll see me just dusting that off. These next scenes coming up, I'm going to be moving really fast because I was trying to beat the sun. So next I'm going to go in with my E.l.f. foundation and then my Fenty concealer. And then I'm going to go in with my Mercier powder to set that concealer. Here I'm just using the Fenty powder foundation to set the rest of my face. By the way, I know I said I was going to give an update in my last video and I forgot to, so I'm just letting y'all know that I still feel the same way about it and it actually lasts pretty long as well. Right now I'm just contouring with the Maybeline powder in the shade Mocha. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with the white Sephora jumbo liner, and then I'm going to go into this shade right here from the snapshadow palette and place that under my eyes. This NYX blush right here is one of my favorite blushes. I really love this one and it's really cheap as well. This blush is in the shade Pink the Town. Yeah, this NYX blush is irritating. I decided to go in with my favorite combo, which is the Jordanna lip liner in the shade Coco Loco, my dollar lipstick in the shade Brice, and my Fenty gloss bomb. I'm using these Ardell lashes right here to finish off the look. Y'all, I'm watching Girlfriends right now and I am cracking up. William, he's hilarious. People forget about William. Like, yeah, there's Joan, Lynn, and Tony, but William is also a part of the Girlfriends. People tend to forget about him. He is so funny. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all, because I see the sun setting, so I'm trying to hurry up before it starts to get dark. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I think that's a good lash to go with it. Okay, y'all, I did it. I beat the sun. So let me just take this hair out, brush it out real quick, and I'll be right back with the final look. All right, y'all, well, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't get to talk to y'all as much as I wanted to. I really was trying to beat the sun because I started recording late, so I was trying to like do this really quickly. This is a very dramatic yet simple look, I think, and it's good to have fun on Valentine's Day, play it up a little bit, you know, look a little different. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye. By the way, this is a bob. You see it? It's like an angled bob. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a great